Good early morning to the class of BDF 1306. My name is Solomon Amos. I'm doing my last video for this class. Very difficult, very rough. I never did figure out the issue with my database problem. I could not see any of my errors using MAMP. I did go to XAMPP, and XAMPP did show me some errors, so I did get a couple things accomplished using that. But overall, I still did not do as well as I wanted to for this class. But I'll show you what I have right now. Right here, you can see this is my controller page. It is family of PHP. You'll notice that it has this load. It's actually loading my index page, which is from models. What I did, I loaded all my files into the application's models. I tried in the view, it didn't really work out. I couldn't get the links to work. Once I added all the files into the models tab and folder, they did start connecting. So that did kind of help. But I still having the problem, as I mentioned before, with the database. My index page, which is what it's connecting to, is the same one I was using from the previous assignment. I just made some changes to it so that the controller page would actually read and work with the index page. So as I said, it's very difficult. This is all new and unfamiliar for me, so a little frustrating at times, but I tried to stick with it this time and just do what I could. And I'll show you right here. If we go into our local host, and it's actually not here because we're running it from our controller page. So from our local host, this is where it was in the Welcome to CodeIgniter right here. And what we have to do according to the instructions for CodeIgniter, you actually have to use your index.php, which will link you to the controller page. My controller page was named Family, and when you pull it up, as you can see, it does open my page right here. Now, the weirdest thing that I ran into, which is still kind of boggling because my database is not connected to my database. However, if you go in here, I'm just going to kind of show you, and I'll just make a fictitious name here. Let's do Rambo. So what am I doing here? Sylvester Stallone, password Rambo1, email sly978 at, and just make a fictitious email of yep, and we'll just make a fictitious phone number here. Some random numbers here, and then for address we'll do the same. 206 Sly Street. Okay, weirdest thing when I did this, now in theory, since my database isn't working, it shouldn't add anything, but once I click add, it kind of goes away. Looks like, okay, well, added. If I go to login and I go for username, craziest thing is there it is. There's my username. It did add it. And then if you go under right here, there's the password. Now, if you hit login, and here's the errors that I were encountering that it popped up. Still working on that. And then you can go back to home. Takes you back to the home. Now, if you go under update, there it is. Sly9788. Yep. Phone number, which is the 601 that we used. And then the street, 1306 Sly Street. So it really confused me as to why it did add it. I couldn't delete anything because I couldn't get that far. I was really trying to get the database and get this to work. But it did update it. Very weird as far as why that happened. But this is my final project. I know it's not much of anything, but this is as far as I got, and hope that by watching this will help somebody learn what not to do with their application. All right, thanks. Bye.